Hi there, it's Julia again. I bet you didn't expect to see me here so soon with another mod. But I decided to get some hood struts for my Jeep so I no longer have to use that. What I ended up buying after some research was the Rival. I bought it from Quadratec and it seemed very simple, and for me, I have relocated my vacuum pump to this location, which is where this bracket, let's see, goes like this, where this bracket will go. So I am hoping it all fits. It seemed like the best fit out of all the options I saw. I already have this side, the brackets in. It's very simple to install. Your 10 millimeter stock or original nut there, and then a screw goes in there, and it has a little lock nut on the back side. This one is a snap-in right there, and then this bracket up here, I'll show you how that goes on the other side. And the struts that, oh my gosh, it's raining. The struts that come with this particular set are made in Germany. Hello. And they are Stabilis Liftomat. And my understanding is that is the strut that Porsche also uses in their vehicles. So can't go wrong with that. So let me see, on this side you also have to take this little push pin out that is holding a relay in. So I'm going to take that out now, and then hopefully this still works, because I'm going to be that much higher than on the other side, but I think it'll still work. Okay, well, I got that on. I think this will still tighten up pretty well, even though I've got kind of double thickness there now. This is at a little bit of a different angle, but it still works. So I am going to go ahead and tighten those up. That little push pin plastic clip was a little bit of a bear. I had to kind of chew it up and spit it out. Okay, now here's the top piece. This little bracket here gets inserted in here, just like that. Oops, it goes this way. Oh, and just to point out, I don't know if that'll focus, but these are threaded. I read on a review on one of these others that has the same type of thing. I think that's kind of how they all work, that this plate was not threaded. These are threaded, which is a good thing because it needs that to grab onto. Now I found it easiest to kind of snug that one slightly in place, and then you can see the hole there, and then put that screw in. They kind of show you putting the bottom one in after that brace is in there and then swinging it over, but I found that a little bit hard to do. Alright, and it says to pump the gas strut 5 times before installing it. Oh my gosh. It is hard to push in. Oh. 3. Oh my gosh. I'm no lightweight either. Oh. Okay, we'll call that one good. All right, they're in. My hood is up. Let me push it down and see what happens. I'm nervous. Okay, there it is down. Ooh, isn't that nice? And something that somebody else who made a video made a point about, or at least I noticed, is these don't just like go slam it up. It actually has like a kind of like a soft close cabinet. It has a soft open about it. Let me do it, push it down again. And let me see if I can get that from the side. Oh, that's a beautiful thing. Okay, I'm happy about that. And it even worked with my vacuum pump relocation. I had to do that, in case you don't remember, because of my bumper. Anyways, hey, I have hood struts. Yay! No more using this, only as an emergency backup. But that's awesome. I'm very excited about that. It's really helpful when you have a lift and you're 5'4" to have hood struts. So that is the Rival hood struts that I purchased from Quadratech.